How to change video quality on Spotify. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change video quality on Spotify easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to Spotify. Now this is the home page, as you can see. All what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on this wheel, and then what you have to do is go down until you find the video quality option. And here is it. Now you can change the video quality from here, from low to very high. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.